I'm going to show you some pieces that I do not have fully ready yet, but am working on them. So let me find them. Okay, so these three are, if we go into edit mode, this is just the normal triangle or hexagon that we had. This is the same thing, just all the 7 points on the top, I subdivided it one time to create more points. This subdivided twice. So with that, you could go into edit mode and change the height. So then your faces will change. Obviously, I don't want too much of a point right there. So I still have to play around with these. This is the one that I think I kind of like, because taking the middle point and bringing it down 1.8 millimeters to still have a little bit of the base, but if I print at 0.2 millimeters height for layer height, I can see each different step up, and because I'm alternating the tops of each layer alternate 90 degrees, that will give a cool effect in the Persimmon Galaxy Black, because it reflects light differently based on the angles, which I found because all my original tiles, I may have printed one in the wrong direction and it's darker than the rest when it shows up in the light. So that happy accident turned into what might be a cool piece. I haven't played around with these too much, but here, let me turn off the X-ray mode, and if we want to, I could just grab all these and bump up that, but I want it to be 6 millimeters tall total, because we still have the 2 millimeters base. And then I'm gonna make it super dramatic and take that middle one and put it down 1.8, so it's basically right at the first layer, like right on top of it, and you can't see it very clearly on this one, yeah, unless I do this. It shows that you do have a little bit of height, and then if you look closely, I shouldn't have done white, but you'll see if you print it out. Nope, that was not what I wanted to do. We're gonna put this back to the origin. Oh, there we can see it better. So just by moving those points around, you can create different hexagons for your system where everything will still fit in the exact same, but it will give some variation based on the heights. So you can take these points as extreme or or non-extreme as you want. So even if I want to move that to the side, this one up and to the side, I could create a very unique, probably not even close to my style tile, but the idea is there. So I'm gonna undo all of this because I want to keep this style as normal as possible and just duplicate it up. So we can see what I did on this one that's duplicated. So I just took all of these points, moved them up 0.2, so that put these face, and then I just selected the last two, brought up 2 more, so then it created the little subtle slope that this tile has. This one is basically the opposite of this tile over here, where I brought the point down in the first, in this tile. I brought it up in this one. And I'm bad at navigating. And this one is the double subdivided one, which I grab points and put them up, and because of that, if we print it in black or any type of filament that does reflect light differently, these angles will give the wall and this piece in a unique look. And now I'm seeing this, I'm thinking, this is close, but maybe this will give me inspiration to try to create a more GameCube looking shape. But that's just an idea right now, and all these pieces, these more 3D, playing around with the height, hexagons, I'm not uploading quite yet. They might be updated in the future, but these are just a preview of what I'm doing. I have just started playing around with these 3D ones, so that's just a little preview of what I am working on. And so with that, I'm going to say, hope that you like this system and you can make it as customizable as you really want to. You can be as creative as you want to. You can put them up on a wall. You can just have them as a tabletop. You can, like a tabletop game, or you can piece these tiles together however you see fit, is my intention. I really hope you guys enjoy this tile system. I know I've had this idea in my head for a while, just never had the means to actually make it. So I hope that everyone enjoys it as much as I do.